What are you doing here? I know you're tired, but I'm not yet okay. I'm not tired either. So let's go.
Now, listen, he's been back to back 4 times. I'm tired. Just give me a little time to rest and I will continue tomorrow.
Just 4. Only 4 times. That's nothing. It's more like introduction to me. Like I haven't gotten anywhere. Let's settle it. I'll give you more energy drink and top up 200k for you. So let's go.
No. I can't.
Fine, 250,000.
I'll have to be alive to spend the money, man. At the rate we're going, how will I be alive to spend the 250k?
Five more rounds and we're done. On the nose, I they run 15 rounds
15?
now. Yes!
You don't need a man, you need a cyborg or a robot to help you. You
So
know?
just 15 rounds.
No, 15 is not normal, I beg you. You need to go and look at yourself and donate yourself to medical lab or something.
Can we just go in there and settle my libido?
The thing is not even coming up anymore now.
It must not come up now. There's so many ways to kill a rat. There's so many ways to make me libidolize. You can use your tongue like you'll lick me.
Are you a dinosaur? What is all this thing now?
Just use your lip to clip me. That's all.
I can't do it anymore. I'm tired. My whole body, even my
Okay,
spirit
fine.
and my
Just
soul.
listen. Spank me. It's for you, baby. Everything for you, baby.
Being a man is not easy, oh yes I know. You gotta break those barriers and obstacles. Don't expect people to believe